Year-end is here, and it's time for W-2s. ADP can generate, print, and file these forms for you, ensuring IRS compliance. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Navigate to the Taxes and Compliance or Year-End section. You'll find a wizard for Process W-2s. ADP will pre-fill all the forms with the annual wage and tax data it has processed. You must review each form carefully for accuracy before finalizing. Once approved, you can choose for ADP to print and mail them to employees, file them electronically with the SSA, or provide you with files to distribute yourself. My crucial pro tip: run the W-2 reconciliation report first. Before generating final forms, run this report. It compares your total payroll tax liabilities for the year to the sums on the W-2s. Any discrepancy must be investigated and corrected now to avoid filing errors. Turn a major annual task into a verified, smooth process. Do you provide electronic or paper W-2s to your employees? What's their preference? For more critical year-end guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.